Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from VIVO Y21s to an Android device. You need to begin by opening Play Store on both and clicking on the search bars. Following that, type in Send Anywhere and download this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, you need to do exactly the same on both devices. First of all, click on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the second one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can tap on Not Now if you wish to. Then close it by hitting OK. Finally, select Send at the bottom left corner of VIVO and receive Next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Now, also on an Android, scroll down to select the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then click on Close this window and go back to VIVO device. You can use all of those categories available at the top to pick all of your files that you wish to send. When you are finished, click on Send next to Selected, located at the bottom. I will go with only this one photo though, so I have to click on it and choose Send then. Now tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way is better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on this scanning icon above User Guide on an Android. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your Android's camera at the code. Then wait. If you prefer to input this key though, click on Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order and tap on the Receive button. So when I do that, as you can see, my picture was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!